Shout out.
Ay, okay lang.
Yeah, second round. Second round, number 8.
21,000. Wala!
No good. Foul. Foul number 8. Second personal foul penalty. Oras, point 4 seconds. Wala nang shot clock. First row, first row. Second row, no good. 5 seconds to play. Basta na lang marinig nyo. Out of time, take goal. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Basta
You know.
2 seconds na lang ha.
Mamaya kayo? Oo nga pala. Anong team nyo? Oo nga pala.
Number 19. Basta na rin nakikinig nyo. Sobra. End of the third quarter.
No?
22-20.
Idol.
Lamang yung 22.
Wala pa kayong whisked. Wala pa kayong whisked. Kayo wala pa whisked.
Hindi na kayo malalaman.
Yeah. Laro nyo lang yung binablog ko. Laro nyo lang.
Ano kayong bata dyan?
Official ball daw po.
Oh! Ay, maganda lang.
Mamaya.
Ang lalaban mo.
Ano ba mamaya?
Pestuan. Junior. Pestuan, matanong ka laban. Ha? Lalaban mo kaya? Headset sa ano? Looban.
Second game, get ready. Well, that's left.
Tama yan? Rex, tama yan? Ako?
Back to the board game. Number 11, pass to number 31. Number 15. Number 15, pass to number 26. Okay, pass to number 22. Tumira. 2-4-2.
Nice!
Number 11. Take pass. Pass to number 8. Press to 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 22. Pass out kay number 15. Number 15. Traveling violation. Foul. Foul number 15. Second personal foul. First big foul. Inbound in number 41. Pass to number 11. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni number 13. No good pa rin. Ang buong-buo na. Jump ball. Respect brothers. Ball.
So, uwi ko ay.
Number 26. Pass to now. Oh. Huh? Number 20, pass number 26, Tumira. Foul. Foul number 8.